Hi everyone. Today we'd like to introduce our biodegradable and compostable products. AVATACK is a Taiwanese company that specializes in the manufacturing of adhesive materials. Our products are sold in more than 100 countries worldwide and are manufactured in 7 modern factories. We take pride in our technical capabilities and our polymer material research and the application of our advanced coating techniques. So what are the advantages of our products? These products are able to suit a wide range of applications. They meet international certification standards, and they are suitable to use with most common plastics converting technologies. In order to provide sustainable green solutions, we have developed polymers with several key features. They achieve more than 90% decomposition when composted under certain conditions with microorganisms. Compared to traditional plastic products, our biodegradable products produce less than 30% CO2 emissions after incineration. They do not include traditional plastics PE, PP, PS, or PV. Our two groups of products are included under the terms AVABio and AVALOPEC. The graph shows the difference between the two. AVABio is more suited for rigid materials, while AVALOPEC can be used for soft packaging materials. In order to provide a range of solutions for all industries, we have developed a wide range of products, from traditional packaging like bags, trays, and cling film, to tapes and labels. Choosing our products is a surefire way to let consumers know that we care about the amount of plastic waste in our environment. Our biodegradable labels combine a biodegradable film with a biodegradable adhesive. Both materials are certified by DIN-CERTCO. Under proper composting conditions, more than 90% of the material can be decomposed within 180 days, turning into CO2 and water without causing environmental pollution. It is suitable for use as logistics labels, or can be applied to other environmentally friendly packaging to ensure that the entire package is biodegradable. Biodegradable tape is an eco-friendly tape made of DIN-CERTCO certified biodegradable film and a non-toxic water-based acrylic PSA. The adhesive tape is hand-tearable with easy application. Further, your company logo or wording can be printed on the tape to portray a green-minded approach to your consumers. It meets the target of environmental protection and carbon production while achieving the equivalent physical properties of conventional tapes. Our environmental friendly materials are able to replace traditional plastics to reduce waste and pollution. They are great for one-time use containers to reduce the amount of plastic produced with traditional containers. We offer transparent and opaque materials with customizable dimensions and thicknesses to suit your needs. Our compostable and biodegradable bags are perfect for reducing your carbon footprint. They are strong and durable, so you can rest assured that the contents are always safe and sound. Self-adhesive bags are paired with an environmentally friendly hot melt adhesive and are perfect for shipping purposes. Our handheld bags can be customized to your desired dimensions and thickness. Made from a globally 100% RPET film, these products are able to achieve the same physical properties as non-recycled film products. These are suitable for a wide range of consumer labels or can be paired with RPET containers. This tape is also made from a certified 100% RPET film. A perfect alternative to traditional tapes, logos can be printed to enhance your brand image. These tapes are a great choice for heavy-duty packaging. Our products have received global certification with DIN-CERTCO and Japan Green PLA. Our products have also received numerous awards. In 2020, we received the R&D Award from the Taiwan Chemical Industry Association. Furthermore, in 2021, we received the Taiwan Excellence Award for producing the first roll of biodegradable tape in the Taiwan market. Lastly, we have a short video to further introduce our line of products. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us through our website. Thank you for listening. We look forward to hearing from you.